Hello my mommians, it's your girl Davita Catherine coming back to you with another video. I am going to be building the Oscar the Grouch centerpiece today. I already started. Here's the Big Bird one. This is how it came out. You can check out my previous video on how I did Ernie, and I also have Cookie Monster done, if you can see that. So I'm going to build Oscar the Grouch for you guys. I've been asked how I've done it, so I'm going to walk through this step. The container bases that I'm using, they are leftover milk jugs from my daughter's formula. I just cut some construction paper down to size and glued it around. This here is a paper towel roll wrapped in just regular computer paper, and that's going to be my base, my stand for it. Okay, so I already cut Oscar out, and I'm going to use my glue stick and I'm going to put him together. And if you do not have a Cricut, you can still do this step. Basically what you will have to do is print it out on a regular printer and just cut them out, get the same effect, same style. And I'm actually going to show you guys what I'm talking about, because Abby Cadabby with the Cricut is like way too many steps for me. Like, she has like a lot of pieces. I already printed her out on my Cricut, but it's just so many pieces that I would honestly just rather just print her out and put her together that way. So I am going to show you guys what I am talking about. So what I am doing right now is just putting the pieces together for Oscar the Grouch from my Cricut. And BTW, if you do have a Cricut, then you already know this, but if you don't, or you have one and you haven't used it yet, you do have to pay for like these what is it called? You have to pay for them. I'm like drawing a blank right now, but they're like copywritten, the copywritten pieces like Marvel and all of that stuff. You have to pay for them, but if you are part of the Cricut Club, you get it for like a cheaper price. I think I paid $1.49 for each character, which I feel is well worth it, because I also, you know, do centerpieces on the side for other people. So if I paid for it already, it'll always be in my stock. So I'll be able to use it more than once, which is good for me. If this is only a one-time thing, you can also copy and paste it from online and do like a print and cut using the Cricut. And this glue does dry clear, so I am not worried about any white anything showing. And I am being very, very generous with the glue. Very generous. Oscar is pretty easy to put together. Like, he doesn't require the patience that Abby does. So I'm okay with Oscar. We're friends right now. I do like the way the Cricut makes the pieces look, because it gives you like a 3D kind of effect. So, man, I really made his like eyes like, I mean his eyebrow like orange. Like, that's real orange. Almost done, guys. And I'm just gonna glue on his tongue, and then he is ready. Okay, so this is how he is going to look, all well done and put together. And what I am going to do now is take my piece. I have my hot glue gun all ready and warmed up. And I'm just going to turn him to the back and take my hot glue gun and just, I'm being, like I said before, very, very generous, you know, with the glue. And I'm just going to take this and line it up here and just push it right on. Just like this. And let me see if I can move this back just a little bit so you can see just a little bit better. Alright, so this is what Oscar is going to look like on his throne. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this wrap here, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna bring my hot glue gun back around, and basically what I want to do is I want to cover like the trim. So I'm just gonna take some hot glue, and be careful while you're doing this, because when I was doing the other ones I did burn my fingers. And you're just gonna take it and you're just gonna sit the paper right on top of the hot glue. You may have some fallout or some fall in, which is fine if some falls in, because I'm using this paper also to fill the inside of the centerpiece so you can't, you know, see the bottom. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this all the way around, and then I will come back to you guys with the next step. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is what you should have so far. This is what it looks like with the paper surrounding it, and I do have it all the way around. So in the back, what I am planning on doing is either adding another Oscar the Grouch, or I may add like maybe like a happy birthday with her name or something on it. I haven't decided yet, but I do have another Oscar the Grouch cut out. Now when I cut out the second one, I mirrored it so that way when it turns to the back, it'll, you know, be the same way. So in my previous Dollar Tree haul, I did haul these worm cutouts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a few. They're like worm, maybe caterpillar. So that's what they look like out of the pack. And I'm just going to take a few and I'm just going to like put them in like random spots. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun just because it's quick, easy. They are a little thick, so I don't think that the hot glue should bend it. At least I'm, you know, hoping not. And I'm just going to take this. Maybe I'll just do one. I don't know. Or I'll do two. I don't know. Or maybe I can even just do something like that. Like, you have to play with it. It's really up to you. I haven't decided yet, but for now, this is good for me. I like just the one worm, and I can use this for something else. I'll probably end up putting maybe some trash or something here. And yeah, so that's it. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. Came out so cute. It's gonna look really, really good on the table standing next to all of the others. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I did 2 videos in one day, and I may have another one coming. Maybe they'll be uploaded on different days, so don't judge me in the sweatshirt. Just saying. But have a great day. Love you all. Bye.